Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I just did a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas with all golds and a bronze to do as a background for a painting. So I'll show you what colors that I have. I liked it so much and I did a strange thing with it, so I'll show you what I did. But I liked it so much that I decided to mix up some more paint and do a 12 by 12 and see how it turns out. So I have Chroma Molten Metals, which is Dorado Gold. I have Anita's Classic Gold. I have Anita's Bronze, which is almost like a light copper color. And I have an old gold that's more like Artist Loft, but it's not. It's what I get from Louisiana by the half gallon. So that and this really gives the gold some definition. And even though these two colors are so close to each other, you will see there is a difference. This has a little more of an orangey tint to it. So here we go. According to my calculations, I only need about 7 ounces. And I have a lot more than that. But that's okay. I want to blend it. And I want it to go off the sides good, which it's already doing on that side. So, scoop that up. I think I'm gonna tilt that off actually. Tilt that off that side. I want it covered good. Tilt it back up this way while I'm doing this. Let it shift back down. Catch that paint. Put it back up here instead of wasting it. Okay. Now, and you can see that there's already pattern in that paint, even though it's just been mixed. You can see there's a design in there, which I'm fine with. That's fine with me. So, here is the Anita's. I'm going to put some of this okay. Fix my sides right now because I want to make sure they're covered. So you can see the difference now between the Anitas and the Dorado. See the difference in the tint? Let me hold it up like that. There's a little bit of difference in that color. So, this is what I did earlier and I loved it. Seems a little crazy, I know. I don't think I've ever been accused of being sane. Just kidding. Make sure I got the sides covered. Don't care what colors they are really, because it's all different colors blended in here anyway. So if there's a little variation on the side, that's okay. I think I've dripped one right there. So now I'm gonna try to swirl it back and forth a little bit and see what happens. I think I used too much paint, actually. I don't want to lose all that light gold. Look at that, where it rolled over that edge. Yeah, I had too much paint this time. But I love this. I think this looks like desert. I think that's pretty. Like shifting sands, shadows, desert. I'll get some down in that corner over there. This doesn't want to move over there. It's moving everywhere but where I want it to. There we go, right over that corner. Okay, now, I got so much paint, I got it all over my wrist. I really had too much paint, but too much is still better than not enough. So, let's see what happens now. We tilt it a little bit more. I still think it looks like terrain, which is kind of what I wanted. I think it's pretty. I like this kind of stuff. I really like this kind of stuff. So, I'm going to take the camera down, give you a close-up. And let you see what I'm seeing. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I need to pop some bubbles and check my edges, and I will give you a close-up. Okay, so this is why I think it looks like terrain, and I think it looks like, I don't know, the desert or something, but those golds, those are the two golds right there at the top. And the one in the middle is that Chroma. And you can tell that even though it was mixed, when it poured out, it had a little variation of tone. And then that little darker gold right in there is the one from Anita's. And then there's the bronze from Anita's. And then some of that darker color that's down in there is that classic or soft gold that I get from another source. So this is how it ended up looking. I like the swirliness to it. There's a little bit of lacing in various places that's very subtle. And I like this one. I think it's pretty. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. So this is dry now, and this is the 12 by 12, and I'm upstairs and light coming in through my French door, so I have a little bit more lighting. But I wanted to show you the variance in the Chroma, which is the one that's shining, and the Anita's. I mean, the Anita's does look metallic, but the Chroma really lights up when the light hits it from an angle. So I just wanted to show you all that and then let you see how nicely it dried and the variation in the colors and stuff. And for some reason it's looking darker up here on the bottom than it actually looks in person. So thanks for watching.